American Literature, Unit 1, Topic 3, William Stanley Merwin. William Stanley Merwin was an American poet who wrote more than 50 books of poetry, prose, and produced many works in translation. During the 1960s anti-war movement, Merwin's unique craft was thematically characterized by indirect, unpunctuated narration, and he was born on 30th September 1927. He was died on 15th March 2019, and he won awards like United States Poet Laureate, Bollingen Prize, National Book Award for Poetry, and many more. What is Merwin known for? Merwin was one of the most highly decorated poets in the nation and very likely the world. He was the United States Poet Laureate from 2010 to 2011 and won 2 Pulitzer Prizes, a National Book Award, and a spate of other honors, and was lauded for his volumes of prose and translations of poetry from a babel of languages. What is Merwin known for? Merwin was one of the most highly decorated poets in the nation and was very likely in the world. He won a National Book Award and a spate of other honors, and was lauded for his volumes of prose, translations of poetry from a babel of languages. He was decorated poets in the nation and very likely in the world too. What does Merwin mean? Merwin as a boy's name is of Old Welsh origin, and the meaning of Merwin is sea friend. Where does the last name Merwin come from? The name of Merwin is a Celtic in origin, arising from the ancient Britons of Wales. The name's specific origins were derived from the Welsh personal name Merwin, which originally took the form Merlin. The magician Merlin plays an important role in Arthurian legend and is given the attributes of Celtic divide. My dear students, I have listed some of his famous poems which had brought fame and recognition for Merwin. The first one is Echoing Light, which was published in the year 1997. The second work of him was Remembering, which was published in the year 1997 as well. And the third work of him is Shorebirds, which was published in the year 1998. And the fourth one is Before the Flood, and which was published in the year 1988. And Unknown Bird, which was published in the year 1999, and many more.